All right, Camaro fans, take a look at this one here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking car, 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RSSS. And yes, real deal RSSS. Actually a copy of the original order form when it was ordered from Ned Gates Chevrolet in Benton Harbor, Michigan, also known as Gates Chevrolet. And a Protecto plate that matches up with the VIN on the car that's on the order sheet, of course, confirming all of that. Underneath the hood now, 502 V8. That is a crate engine that has been installed. That's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power brakes. Consignor of this car did want me to mention the original block, wheels, shifter, some extra original equipment can go with this car if somebody that purchased it wanted to bring it back to original for an extra charge. Discuss that with your sales associate if you call in on this car. Original color of this car, dusk blue, is how it was ordered. Obviously has had a repaint and some restoration work done since then. Let's take a look at this front bumper. Of course, the headlight doors, the SS grille, that chin spoiler. Mechanical mechanisms for the headlight doors have been removed, so it's very simple to open them. It's just a push if you want to run it at dark with the headlights on, and then to pull them back closed again. So mechanical has been removed. Consignor says that he also has that with it. And again, discuss that with your sales associate when you call in. If you're interested in the car, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Nice looking rally wheel, beauty rings, Chevrolet center caps. Paint shows well. There's a few imperfections. I notice there's one little small kind of bubble in the hood right there. As they became known, the ice cube trays in the hood. Let's take a look down this passenger side and see these panels. Nice and straight. Consignor, a previous owner of this car, had owned this car for 28 years as it dries out. Beautiful. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will definitely turn some heads, no doubt about that. All right. So black standard vinyl interior. That's how it would have came from Chevrolet. Bucket seats, center console. I left the glove box door open. I did want to remember to point out there is an aftermarket stereo in the glove box. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome on the rear bumper looking good. Dual exhaust, of course. And you'll be able to see that dual exhaust in the underside and the still pictures. You'll be able to see in the trunk, under the hood, interior, and once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into these first-gen Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase either online or off our showroom floor, of course, if you may see us in person. Take a look down the driver's side. See a nice reflection in that paint. Almost looks like it's wet. So again, the paint does show well. If you take a look in the still pictures, you're also going to see the call tag or data tag. It does have that infamous X22. Which of course this car would have came with a 396 when it was new. Now has that 502 crate. Some custom door panels. Speaker install down in that, you can see. So black vinyl, and again it appears. Seats are in very nice shape. No rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. Seat belts intact. You can see you do have the shoulder belts also, and the headliner in good shape. Custom stereo install in that rear deck as far as speakers go. SS steering wheel. Does have line lock brake system up front. Little red button in that center console and that wire coming up. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. We'll also take this car for a drive. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it drives out. A couple other things I did want to mention: does have an upgraded drive shaft, 355 rear gears, and the restoration work was done in the late 90s. So very nice shape, and paint still shows well as interior underneath the hood. Let's fire it up so you can hear it run. Aftermarket tack on the steering column working. We have a little air fuel monitor down here, an older Edelbrock style. See that stereo did power up. Top of the dash looking good. Make sure we're neutral. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Nice little rumble coming out of that. 440 horse, 515 pound-feet of torque. That's the power this car lays down. So it's going to get up and move, no doubt about that. All right, let me pause this 1 second. Let's take a quick peek underneath this hood. I'll wrap up the walk around here. And like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive. You can see how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the hood liner. Nice shape. And engine bay. So you can see it looks like a newer brake booster master cylinder. Now this is marked as a 396 on the air cleaner. That is a 502 crate. It's paired up with a manual transmission, as we've seen from the inside. So nice looking engine bay, nice and clean and tidy. Go to any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Won't be ashamed to have the hood open on this one. Again, the cowl tag we mentioned right back here, that'll be in the still pictures. Picture of the VIN, check all that out. There'll also be a picture of that order form copy stating how it was ordered in a real RSSS Camaro. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro in a great looking blue color with one of the iconic hoods that Camaro came with in very good condition. This is a 5-speed. The car was originally a 4-speed, but it is a 5-speed now, which is even better for the highway. Nice low RPMs at cruising speed. Very fun to push the throttle down on this car. Going through the gears, you feel the power in each gear. You don't have to wait for it. The speedometer is working. Appears to be as it should. Auto gauge tachometer on the dash mounted to the column. That is also working. The fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. Down below we have an LED Edelbrock air fuel ratio monitor that is definitely from back in the day. Another cool feature. Now the AM radio does power up, as does an FM radio in the glove box. Nice looking vinyl factory looking bucket seats in this Camaro. The dash looks nice, the door panel is pretty nice, headliner, just a good interior and a good paint job. Had some people looking at me with smiles on their faces already today as I'm driving down the road. corners nicely. Lots of fun to accelerate in this car. You definitely feel it. I didn't mention it, the wipers also work on this car. Comfortable, good condition, 1969 Chevrolet Camaro in a great color. Take a look at all the pictures, learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.